Good afternoon, everyone. Today we had this 1998 Honda CRV, and the issue of this car is that the turn signal on the driver's side, I mean on the passenger side, flashes so fast compared to the one on the driver's side. So before we open the hood, I'm gonna show you guys what's the turn signal look like. So key on, check out the one on the driver's side, it flashes normal, and then the one on the passenger side, it flashes so fast. So what we can do is we'll try to open this and check what's going on in there. All right, when you experience this kind of problem or issue, the first thing that you have to do is check the bulb, because the most common reason why it flashes so fast is the bulb itself. So we need to, for this 1998 CRV, we need to remove this headlight because we couldn't access it from here. So let me get my tools. Okay, there were like, let's see, there were like 2 bolts in here. Okay, I don't know if that's the only bolt that we need to remove. I don't think so. Let me check in here. I don't see any. Oh boy, let me try to wiggle it one more. Oh, one sec. So I wanna open this. Hold on. So I wanna check if there's a bolt in here. So I need like an open space in here, so I have to remove this. I don't know, guys, if this is necessary, but oh well. There's nothing wrong in trying. So let's just remove this. There were like 4 screw. Okay, last one. Now I think we're just gonna, oh boy, I did see one more there. I need a flashlight. Oh yeah, I need a long screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Okay, I did saw a, oh boy, one screw in there that need to be loosened. There you go, right there. Hold on, I'm going to show it to you guys. So right there, the one, so you don't need to remove it. And I think there's also one bolt in here that hold this headlight. Okay, let's loosen that. just loosen that. There you go. I think that should be it. Let's check if we could pull this. You know what? Just remove all the way. Right there. I don't know if there's still one bolt in there. Hold on. So I'm going to try to pull it. There shouldn't be. Okay. All right. It's good. Let's just pull it. Oh boy. Double check. All these. I don't see any. I don't want to break it. Come on. You know what? I'm going to loosen this just in case. Okay. 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 How about here? Let me check here. You know what? One sec. I need to like maybe loosen this bumper. I don't see any bolt in here anymore. Let me try to pull it one more time. Oh man, no. Oh shit. I don't want to break anything in here. So that's the, you know what? Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Shit. I think we need to remove the bumper, lower the bumper. Oh well, let's do that. So guys, when lowering the bumper, there is like a one Phillips screw right there. That one that need to be removed. So just use a long Phillips screwdriver, and that's it. And then I think you can pull the bumper. Yeah. And then, oh yeah, there's one more there. I'll show it to you. There is one more screw right there that holds this headlight. So let's remove that. Okay, just leave the bolt right there. Then there you go. All right, that's it. So now guys, oh boy, hold on. We need only this. This is the one that flashes so fast. So we will just gonna pull this, turn this counterclockwise. There you go. Then this is the the bulb. Let's remove the bulb. Hold on. And then let's examine the bulb. The bulb looks okay, but anyway, let's put a new one. So this is a new one. We use Sylvania. Just this is a good turn signal bulb. So that's the brand new one. Let's put it on over here. There you go. Let's put it back. Okay. Now let's check if it still flashes so fast. So key on. Just key on. Turn signal light. There you go. That's a quick fix. See that? So guys, if ever you like encounter this kind of problem, don't be afraid to fix it yourself. Otherwise, if you bring this to a shop, they're gonna charge you a couple of hundreds. Just by diagnosing this will cost around 70 to 120 bucks. But if you do it yourself, this only costs this bulb only costs $9 and a couple of screw. You just need a screwdriver and a 10mm socket. So let's put them back together and then we're done. Alright guys, everything is back. So now it's tight now, everything is tight. So let's take a look one more time. So right signal, right signal, passenger side, driver side. Now the flash is the same. Oh, that was an easy fix, guys. So that's how you fix a turn signal. So probably some of you guys will ask me, how do you know that's the one that has a problem? Well, based on my experience, if I see that kind of problem, the first thing that I always do is change the bulb. It's only cost $9, so you don't need to like check all the wiring diagram or continuity of the the wire. So that's the first thing that you have to do. It's fast, it's cheap, but what if we change already the bulb and then it still flashes fast? Well, then we'll make a different approach. So mostly what I do is check the connections. I'm gonna check if there's like a burn wire or something. I have to check the one at the back. So it's gonna be a little bit more. You need more time to diagnose it, obviously. But like I said, the best way to do it, the fastest way to do it, just buy a new bulb. It's cheap. Just put it on. It's faster and it's cheaper, and then that's it. You fix the problem. So that's it. I guess it's already fixed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you for joining me in this video. So I hope you learn something, and hopefully you could fix your own car one day if you know experience this kind of problem. So I guess that's all for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.